I've produced over 3 dozen Camtasia.ai projects so far, in my testing of the application. Some bumps in the road and comments. Images must be dragged and dropped, or otherwise added, one at a time, in the correct order, otherwise, the storyboard is not built correctly. Dragging and dropping multiple images that are sequentially numbered still gives a scrambled result. Once assembled, there is no way to reorganize the images in the storyboard, so you need to start over from scratch. There is also no way to insert an image in between two already existing images. There is no way to reorder images already dragged onto the UI. Once images are on the storyboard, there is no way to tell what the images are. There is no ID text on thumbnails, which are too small for visual identification. There seems to be a limit on the number of images that can be handled at one time in the same project. This limit appears to be in the area of 15 images, although in producing projects based on 10 images, even 10 images have failed sometimes. When trying to produce a 10-image project, I kept getting failures due to issues with Lua scripts. So I removed images from the last, towards the first, one at a time, trying to find if doing that would eventually give me a good production. That technique did not work. Every attempt at a production with fewer images still failed, and I had to start over and build again from scratch. As a Camtasia.ai stress test, I created a composite video that was made from 17 separate AI projects, containing 154 scene images, that were downloaded from Camtasia.ai as zip files. Loaded each into Camtasia 2025, then put that separate timeline content into the library. I then assembled a master Camtasia project from those separate assets, and produced that project twice, once as is, and once after I had made eye candy edits. Regarding the eye candy edits, there was too much animation applied to the images in general. So I edited the entire project to remove the animations on all the scene images, recentered each image in the canvas, scaled to fit, and then produced the project again. Need an option to export an AI project's MP4 directly to screencast.com. Need an option to pre-configure cursor effects before the video is created in Camtasia.ai. Current background music in Camtasia.ai projects is throwing a copyright notice when uploading those productions to YouTube. After working on a project in the AI web interface, if you close that browser tab, then relaunch Camtasia.ai, you will open with a storyboard being presented, but no images in the project to fill out the storyboard. This is confusing. This can be prevented if you execute a start over before you close the browser tab. But I find it disorienting to open Camtasia.ai, having not told it to start over before its last close, and seeing a storyboard presented with all blank pages.